My biggest win so far in Excel University is having my eyes open to the power of pivot tables. That's not something that we did a lot of in the engineering world, and I'm seeing the benefits of that. And the pivot tables are really an eye-opener to making life a lot easier. My name is Joe Hadley. I live in Missouri City, Texas. And I'm currently retired. I spent 42 years in the chemical engineering industry, and I retired in 2016. When I retired, I began assisting my wife in doing more business-related calculations with spreadsheets. And I felt like a lot of things I was doing, that there was a possibility of, I wasn't really familiar with the business world structure, and I'm not an accountant or anything like that. So I felt like there was something I could do to make life a little easier as far as doing these daily repetitive tasks for my wife in the business world. What caught my interest was the speed loop concept in Excel University. Now I'm seeing where we're getting into pivot tables, and I'm seeing where that may be very useful in the things I'm doing to assist my wife. It's a focused approach. I mean, it's being taught by someone who is obviously an expert in Excel, and the lessons really reinforce the steps that he talks about in the lecture. So I think overall, that's been the plus for me, is listening to the lectures and kind of going along with it. And I've been able to take a few of those things so far and put them into other spreadsheets that I have and just try them and say, oh yeah, that's a better mousetrap. So when you're summing up different sections in a list of information using the sum total feature, that was very, very useful to learn about. And I found that to be very useful, and I'm using that right now. If I knew it in the past life, it would have made things a lot easier. I would recommend it to a lot of users out there that think they know Excel. They're kind of set in their ways. I mean, we did this 10 years ago, and we do step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but they don't really understand the background of why they're doing those steps. And they just need an open mind to understand how to get from point A to point B in a faster, more efficient method. And I think that's the key.